Forgotten username recovery failed on Experian App Fix. If you've tried to recover your Experian username and keep hitting a wall, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping the verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access in minutes. Step 1. Open the Experian app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Experian will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails sometimes land in unexpected folders. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account for security reasons. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather essential verification information, such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, or recent account activity. Contact Experian support directly with these details to expedite recovery. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of protection, preventing future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your Experian account quickly and securely. Proper verification and secure credential management are crucial for keeping your financial information safe and accessible.